Okay, good morning class. So at this point we're marking the homework.
Yes,
The homework was on chapter 4, which was dealing with decimal fractions. Not so. Right, so let's just mark that. That was a new decimal extension. It was a new extension, eh? It was skill 10. Right. Since you had a problem with this, that is why I gave you some extra homework on it. So we're just going to go through it quickly and just check if I still have that previous page open with those questions in it. It's not that one. I think it's here somewhere. Skill 10. Nope, I deleted it already. But it's fine. So at this point, you're not grade 9 yet. So at this point, skill 10. Let's just read out the answers there, the even numbers. The first answer is? Skill 10. I got, okay, just hang on. It's 3 over 5. Not 3 over 5, 4 over 5. Yes. The even numbers. Number 4 is 23 over 100. Number 6, 65 over 13 over 200. It will simplify into 13 over 200. 5 goes into both numbers. You got 65 over 1,000. Not so? So of course, yeah, 5 goes into both. You must always simplify as far as possible. Number 8 is 7 over 500. Number 10 is 21 over 200. Number 12 is? Okay. 77. 3 and 17 over 20 is correct. Improper fractions, equivalent is going to be 77 over 20. Number 14. 19 and 19 over 100. In improper form it will be 1919 over 100. Number 6. 10 is 38 and 21 over 50. Number 18 is 6 and 14 over 1000, which is 7 over 500. Not so. And then the last one is 6 and 13 over 20 in the simplest form. Any problems there? No. Then you went on to the diagnostic practice. Not so. The diagnostic test. Diagnostic test on percentages. Okay? Don't forget the test that you just wrote now. You're going to answer it again at the back of your book for the second time. Okay, that is part of your homework for tomorrow. So diagnostic test on percentages. Which page is this on? Page 75. Okay, so first things first, the question says making percentages into fractions. So 17% is going to be 17 over 100. Number 2 is 26 over 100, which is 2 goes into here 13 times 50. It's 13 over 50. 75% is 75 over 100, which is 25 goes into 3 times 4, so it's 3 over 4. And the last one is 55 over 100. 5 goes into here 11, 20, so it's 11 over 20. Any confusion here? No? Let's carry on. Making fractions into percentages. So the denominator needs to be 100, tens, thousands or so on. Or we can take the fraction and multiply it by 100. Not so? That's the other one. So 5 going to 5 once, 5 going to 120 times. 20 times 2 is 40, so it's 40%. Next one we multiply that by 100 over 1. Nothing can cancel, so it's 100 over 3. But 3 goes into 10. 3 times, you do this, 3 goes into 10. 3 times carry 1. Not so? 3 goes into 10, 3 times carry 1. So you just add zeros there. Can you see that? So you carry 1. 3 goes into 10, 3 times carry 1, 3 carry 1, and so on. In line with this comma here. In line with this comma, and move that comma up. Can you see that, people? So the answer is 33,33. Or 33,3 recurring. Or I could have said, okay, 3 goes into 100 33 times, and how much is remaining? 1. So I could have said 33 and 1 over 3. All of that is acceptable. Unless the question specifically saying answer must be in a fraction or answer must be in decimal, then you have to give it in decimal, if asked in decimal. If specified in fraction, you must write in fraction. Do you guys understand? Since that is not specified, you will accept all of it. Okay. The next one, number 3, again we multiply that by 100. Of course, 7 can't go into 100 without 3 remainder. So that's going to give you 3 times 100, 300 over 7. So you got 300 divided by 7. 7 goes into 30 how many times? 7, 14, 21, 28. So it's 4 times. Carry? 2. 7 goes into 20 how many times? 2. And the remainder of 7 14, so the remainder of 6. Not so? So that's going to give you 42 and 6 over 7%. You guys understand? Again, your percentage is the representation of 100. Okay, yes, Michael?
So you could put a fraction there for the percentage.
Yes.
Like I wasn't.
Yes, you might. Otherwise, if you had gone further and you said, okay, it's 300 and add zeros there, there's going to be 7, it's going to give you 42. Carry 6. 7 goes into 6 how many times? 54. 7 is 8. 8 times 6, 8 times 7 is 54, or 56, sorry. 56, no? So it's 8, carry 4. 7 goes into 40, 35, carry 5, and so on. So that would have been 42,85. Is that the answer you got? Huh? Okay. You guys understand? Okay. Let's now do the last one quickly. Again, we multiply it by 100. Nothing can happen there. Right? So 4 times 100 is 400 over 11. So we go 400 is 11. 4 goes into 11 goes into 40 3 times. So it's 33 ones. Remainder 7. And 7 goes into 11 goes into 66 6 times. The remainder 4. No. 66. The remainder 4. So in other words, that can be written as 36 and 4 over 11. Any confusion there? You all okay with that? Okay. Let's look at skill 3. Skill 3. Making percentages into decimals. So what we do here now? We divide by 100. We're making it into percentage, you times 100. We're making it into decimal, you divide by 100. So that is going to be divided by 100. So 0, 1, 0. Divided by 100. 0, 2. Divided by 100. 0, 75. Divided by 100. 0, 3. Any confusion there? You all understand? Okay. You let me know if you don't understand, and then I must book you for an extra lesson. Don't forget, there's 3 days a week in the afternoon extra classes for free, absolutely free. Okay, make use of it so that you can maintain your good result you came from primary school. Okay, otherwise your results will drop. Okay, because as we know, there's much more work you're doing at high school and stuff like that. Okay? Unless you are practicing all the time, then don't see the reason why you shouldn't maintain that good mark on your own as well. People making these decimals into percentages, what do we do here? We multiply it by 100. So that's going to give you 13%, not so?
Yes, sir.
The next one is 78%. That's 78%. It's going to give you 45%. This one, yeah? 12.4%. Why 12? So you multiply it by 100. So the decimal must move twice, 2 units. That's it. Okay. People, for homework, I want you guys to do skill 5 on page 75 of the diagnostic skills test, skill 5, 6 and 7. Skill 5, 6 and 7 from page 75. That's your homework, okay? And then I want you guys to do the decimal extension. No, a decimal practice. Practice. No. Just hang on. Decimal practice on page 79. I want you guys to do skill 1, 2, 3 and 4, the odd numbers. You all know what to do? Right, you guys sorted? Right, what's your question, Michael? Sorry? Oh yes, thank you. No? Remember we said we're going to always start off with a division. Okay? So what was that sum I gave you for division yesterday? 700? 7,832. It must be divided by 23. Okay, now there's many ways of doing this. Okay, huh? Another 0. Baguette. 1 0. Okay, shh. Relax, man. Yes, my girl.
I was absent.
Well done. Give her a round of applause.
No.
And now? Did you watch the lesson?
No, actually, I only watched like the part what I needed to watch it only.
But how do you know what you need to watch if you weren't here for the lesson?
No, like the percentages, like for homework, we have to do percentages. So like I just went over, like I only went to the part of the video where you were doing percentages.
Now whose fault is that?
Mine.
So now why are you not making your problem my problem?
No, it's like.
Right. Listen again. This is your education. Okay? You must take education into your own hands. So if you miss the lesson, you must watch the whole lesson. Okay? So that you can know exactly what you're missing and what is not. What is yes, Michael?
Instead of long division.
This one I can't do short division now. Okay. So this is how I do it. Okay. I first write down a few multiples of 23. So it's 23, it's 46, as 69 is the 2, so it's plus 3. It's 92, yes? 115, 138. Let's see if that is enough. Okay. So what we do is we say, okay, 23 can't go into 70. However, it goes into 78 3 times. Not so? So 3 times 23 is 69 minus. So that can't take away, left with 9, carry down 3. 23 goes into 93. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times 23 is 92. Minus gives you 1. Carry down the 2. Okay? Alright. Yeah, then you just choose which one you agree with. Okay. When you're done, you just put it here. You can have a seat again. You just take your copy of it, okay? Can 12 go into 20? Can 23 go into 12? No. Do I put a dot or a 0? Why a 0 and not a dot? Because it has a place value. That dot has no place value. With that 0 in front, like if you got a bank account and you got 100,000 rand in your bank account, you put a 0 there, makes no difference. However, you put a 0 here, you're going to understand? So it has a place. Yes, Michael. Yes.
In the
Exam, yes.
If I wrote the 0, would I get it wrong?
No. But you put a dot there, you're going to get it wrong. You know what I'm saying? So if you got 100,000 and you put a dot there, you don't lose it. If you put a 0 there, you don't lose it. However, if your bank account needed a 0 there and you got a dot, is it the same? No. So that needed the 0. You understand? So we're nice people, man. We try and give you the benefit of the doubt. But you guys don't see it like it, no? You always think the maths teacher want to kill you and they never want to give you 100%. And Afrikaans. You do maths in Afrikaans? Okay. I don't think you have the other subject. Come on now. Alright. People, 23 can't go into 12. So I put that 0 there. 0 times 23 is 0. Carry down the 1. 121. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 1, 1, 5. 5. 5 times 23. 1, 1, 5. Minus. So that gives you 1. Carry 1. Say 6. You all agree with that? Now what? Bring down the 0. 23 goes into twice. So 2 times 23. 46. Minus 40. So that is, your answer is 34,052. The remainder 40. For those of you who only wrote that, it should be 304. Remainder 12. Okay. Who got that right? Right. Yes. Who was asking a question? You wrote? So you wrote, so your answer is 34,052 and 14 over 23. That's what you wrote. Correct. Okay. Is there another one? Yes. Nice, no? Okay. So the same number. Let's go. Same number. Sorry? Divided by 40. What? 70 is 73. Right. So it's 73, 146, 219. 292 is 365 is 438. Yes, okay. People, can 78 go into 7? No, 78 yes once. So it's 73. Right. You all agree with that?
Yes.
Can 73 go into 53? No, carry down. 2. So let's put a 0 here, don't forget, no? So 73 goes into 500 and says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So 7 times 73 is 511. Okay. You guys okay with this? Or must I write the step in? It's fine. Okay. So it's going to give you 1. I must minusing now. No? 1, 2. Carry down the 1. Now for those of you who didn't write the 10 at the back. The girls, take your hand off there. Why are you tickling your hand? You're writing on the hand. Are you okay? Right. 73 goes into 211. Twice. Okay, so it's going to be 2. 2 times 73. 1, 4, 6. Subtract, gives 0. Carry 1. That's going to give you 5. Can't. Take away. 10. 65. Carry down the 0. So 73 goes into 6. Now I think I need another one. What is this? 5? 84. Give me another one. 657. No, that's over. So that is under. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 big ones. 8 times 73. 584. Subtract 66. Yes, so it's a reminder. 60. Who got that right? Okay, I'm going to put this one in the exam. One like this. Bring me a book, let me see what you got, Michael. You got both wrong. Come. Stay on that side of the test. Yes? Why? You don't know. Come second break, I'll show you. Right. For those of you who don't know how to do long division, come second break. We'll show you quickly, okay? If you know how to do it, then you don't come, man. What's wrong with you? Yes. Thank you. How did you get it? 100%. You watching the video? Right, listen, I'm going to give you 2 for homework. Yes? Sorry? So that number's 613,786 divided by 12, and then you divide by 67. Same number, okay? By 12 and by 67. Right. Bodmas, yes. Okay, shh. You like Bodmas? And like everything in maths, man. What's wrong with you? Okay, here we go. You have to do worksheet 3, book A, correct? Odd numbers, first column. Here we go. Okay, just hang on. Shh. Girlfriend, turn around. Yes, Michael. Yes? Well done to her. Yes, somebody kept it for her. Who kept the books? And that girl, she said she has the... Where's that girl's book? Sorry? Where is it? Yes, and you told me, where did you tell me, where is it? Sorry? Oh, you have another one. Okay, she's bringing you one from home, no? Now, whose fault is that? Now, why you leave the stuff on the desk? Huh? You don't look after the stuff I give you? Huh? Right, book A. 3. Okay. Okay, it's fine. You see, easy to find my mistakes, no? Right. People, let's do this. So the first answer, it might be wrong, is 2. Then 14. Then 1. Then 19 over 2. Right. Any problems with number 1? Anybody? You all okay with it? Number 3. Yes. Right, talk to me. What did you write?
So it's 16 to 1 times
Yes.
bracket
What's your LCM?
24.
24 is absolutely correct. So I didn't need this bracket here either, okay? So I must times 6 by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1. Do you have that? Right. What's 20 plus 1? Okay, nice, nice. Now it looks like you're pass maths, okay? So you say 20 plus 1 is 21. So it's 21 over 24. Now what did you do? Simplify. Before you multiply. 4 goes into here 4 times. 4 goes into there 6 times. Then what did you do? Again, 2 goes into 4 twice. In here 3 times. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 21. 7 times. 7 times 7 is 14 over 1. Where'd you go wrong? Okay, you didn't cancel this 3 out properly. That's your mistake. Right. Anybody had a problem with number 5? No? Number 7? You got 3. Okay? So number 7, you got 12 times 5 over 6 minus 1 over 24. What's your LCM, Michael? Sorry? 24. So read for me what you have there.
So it's 20 over 24 minus 1 over
1 over 24 is absolutely correct. Carry on.
It's going to be 19 over 24. It's going to be 12 over 1 times 1 over 24.
Right, 19 over 24. Did you have 9 or 19? 9, there's your mistake. It's 19. You didn't tell me it's 19. In your next step, you didn't write the 1. Little lazy, no problem. There's 2, so it's going to be 19 over 2. Which make that correct and that correct.
But you would also put it as 9 and 1.
9 and 1 are absolutely correct. Right, let's do the next one. Moving to fast. Right. The next one. Number 9 is 8. I get 8. Not 6. 7 over 8. Right. Any problems with number 9? Yes. What do you have?
I got 2.
2. How you get 2? Tell me. Talk to me.
Okay, so 10 minus 6 equals 4.
Yes. Times.
Times 2 because.
And what's 4 times 2? Number 11. Any issues with number 11? Yes. Talk to me. 1 over 6. Talk to me. Yes.
So, for the first bracket,
Bracket. Yes.
I did I did 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2.
Yes.
And then I multiplied the 1 and 2.
Yes.
So 2 over 2.
Yeah.
And then I said times 2 over 12 because it's the next bracket.
No, yeah. What fraction you got there? Should be 1 over 2. Don't you have 1 over 2 there?
No.
That's your mistake. What you did was you only sorted out the first bracket. So that's 1 plus, that was inside the bracket. So you put that over 1, your LCM, so you times by 2, so it's 2 plus 1. That's what you're supposed to do. Otherwise, if you're going to work the bracket fractions apart, no problem. Then your LCM is must 2, then you must stay in the bracket. Okay. That and that is the same. Okay. As you know, complete the sum. Just with the benefit of everybody else. So the LCM here is of course 12. You times it by 4. You multiply that by 3. So it's going to be 3 over 2 times 7 over 12. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 12, 4 times. 1 times 7 is 7, 2 times 4 is 8. You all understand? Any issues there? No? Right? Let's carry on. We stopped at number 11. Where did we stop at 11? Right, so the rest is 13 onwards. Okay, just give me a chance.
Your attention, please. Inter-exercise to meet in the drama room now at break. Inter-exercise to meet in the drama room now at break. One way will meet in the room 43. One way to meet in the room 43. Then also reminder to the band and orchestra, there will be rehearsals in the hall this afternoon at 3 p.m. Orchestra rehearsals in the hall at 3 p.m. Layla Tabau to report to the office. Layla Tabau, please report to the office.
Let's just wrap this up before we leave. Number 13, I got an answer of 1 over 2 is correct. The next one? 9 over 2. The next one? 23 over 7. 5 over 4. 39 over 60. Any problems with number 13? Number 15? 17? 19? Number 21? No. Yes? Okay. The last two? Number 23? 1 over 10 is correct. And the last one? 6. Any problems with 23? Oh my God. Why are you standing? What? Your phone? Your pen? And why are you standing? Yeah. Wait, okay, wait. What's wrong with you? You okay? Any problems with 23? 25? Right. For homework, I would like you guys to do from book A. You're going to do all the even numbers for me, okay? Book A, worksheet 3, the even numbers. Alright. People, enjoy this every day. Good afternoon, class. Okay, there's the homework, okay? So worksheet 3. This is book A. Worksheet 3. You can pause the video and write down the sums if needed, okay?